In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of TOEIC speaking. TOEIC speaking has 5 different tasks. Read a text aloud, describe a picture, respond to a question using information, and express an opinion. Number 1, read a text aloud. So make sure you read the instructions. They say, read the text aloud. You have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you'll have 45 seconds to read the text aloud. So you'll have 45 seconds to prepare to read this text and 45 seconds to read it properly and clearly. Read the text aloud. Speak with clear pronunciation, correct word stress, and rhythm. I recommend in the first 45 seconds, you actually whisper it aloud. And then when the recording starts, you read it as clearly as you possibly can. Not too slowly, not too quickly, and with lots of rhythm. Number 2, describe a picture. So let's focus on the instructions. They say, describe the picture in as much detail as you can. You have 30 seconds to prepare your response. Then you'll have 30 seconds to speak about the picture. So when you're preparing to speak, focus on the picture. What can you see? What things can you see? Also, what is happening? So in the preparation time, think about nouns. What things can you see? And what verbs can you think of as well? What's happening? Then when the recorder opens and you begin describing the picture, describe the picture as clearly as you possibly can. Number 3, respond to a question. Let's focus on the instructions. They say you will answer 3 questions. You have 15 seconds each to respond to questions 1 and 2. You have 30 seconds to respond to question 3. You will hear a context statement such as, imagine you've been asked to participate in a survey about social media and you have agreed to answer a few questions. So you have 15 seconds each to answer questions 1 and 2. Question number 1 might ask something like, what types of social media do you use and how often? And question number 2 might ask something like, do you think people spend too much time on social media these days? You'll have 15 seconds to answer each of these questions. Question number 3 might ask something like, how has social media changed our lives? And you'll have 30 seconds to respond to question number 3. So for this one, you have to answer almost immediately. So keep your answers simple. Don't make them too complex. Concentrate on the delivery of your speech. Number 4, respond to a question using information. Let's focus on the instructions. They say you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You'll have 15 seconds to respond to questions 1 and 2, and 30 seconds to respond to question number 3. So here is the information. You'll have 45 seconds to read this text or a text similar to this one. You'll have 15 seconds each to answer questions 1 and 2. So the question might ask something like, hi, I have some questions about the graduation ceremony. Can the graduating students arrive at the same time as the guests? Your answer needs to be based on the text or the information in the text. Question number 2 asks, can guests bring young children to the ceremony? And again, your answer needs to be based on the information in the text, and you'll have 15 seconds to respond to questions 1 and 2. Number 3 might ask a question like, what happens after the official graduation ceremony? And you'll have 30 seconds to answer this question using information from the text. So here, you don't want to just read the information from the text aloud. You want to turn it into your own words to answer the question. Number 5, express an opinion. Let's focus on the instructions. They say, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can. You'll have 30 seconds to prepare, then you'll have 60 seconds to speak. Next, you need to focus on the question prompt. It will say something like, although advertisements often suggest that buying products will make us happy, there are people who believe that less is more. What is your opinion towards only purchasing the things we need rather than filling our lives with unnecessary possessions? Provide reasons for your opinion. So you'll have 30 seconds to prepare your response. Then, when the microphone opens, you'll have 60 seconds to speak. 30 seconds is not much time to prepare at all. So really, whatever comes to your mind is what you're going to say on test day. Try to speak for as long as you possibly can. If you want to do some good quality TOEIC preparation, then click the link in the description below and go across to E2 Test Prep and do our TOEIC preparation course. Cool, hopefully you found that helpful. My name is Jay. Don't forget to click that subscribe button.